Bah Prestone tensong ubalang sembut mentirang ba beripik bikmi ru ia kata kampo ieng ula ong ba kejengkam jengki pulit iki katukan ngut kithot jaka sang KSU hakabede bagjeng syak penyap jengki barjala hakanik si ki baladap kamdai satya baki pulit kikam tang namar baki de kithot jaka sang KSU ne ula ong ba pulit kila tukit benya baki lawat benya mat kam ye kibriu kebudang kiti hanika kam kabrang persya ya kalong briu man briu hakabede pat ba kejengkong petrol bom yaki pulit igi tanat pulit bad ki pat ki benta hanung ba shalong kebalaja naduk mendin kisngi Bah Prestone ula ong ba ngeit setia ba kedai kaseng KSU lan dikit KSU ki bale ye ne kam namar uyui mana kalang jung ba kit khot kaseng KSU ki dei ki brio ki banang ki basta ki dei ki brik ki blayar ka jeng perkhan ba ngeit setia ba kin le maki ndai na kalang jung ki pulit kam tam me na kalang jung ko menteri beripet be khmi ya kan po yeng ula batha ye ki bor pulit kam tam me yu director general of police bakin tokit bria bakin bishar bria ba kham tam ye ba pen khlan ye ki jing pahara hagu ju ko poru ul ong bala batha ya baro kita rekam jaga sarkar bakin pej ba baki kali haka jaka ka bakisat kemdai setia bangat aka jing kong petrol bom ki bokum kini kembakala ja haka ni kisngi ki baladap su ul ong bana kalyang ka sarkar karang shong ye ka review meeting ni ka jing khat perkhat ni ka jelang perkhat mat pe ye ka jing long jing suk jing sanya ka jala la ka don kam ne em mat khat shu le man penbun ye ki pulit bahara hanang ba shlong bat kumjuru aka jala hi barok ko wei.
Yes, we have already instructed the police force, DGP, to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future. Let me tell you one thing. I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing. We strictly follow from all angles, where, how, and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place, and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people. But let the law takes its own course. Okay. Number two, still I don't believe that the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen, and therefore we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you see, is safe and does not break down at all. Due investigation is on, so please don't ask that question. We are on the job, and we cannot tell you also that today or tomorrow we will go and arrest anybody. So you leave it to the leave it to the duty of the police, and accordingly we will do necessary action. See, the investigation is on. As I said to you, it is not only with the police alone. Judiciary also is there. So you see, as I said to you, the procedure is there. So therefore, whatever the law takes, I think let us leave it to the number one, to the judiciary, and also from our side also, whatever conclusion we will submit ultimately all the issues to the judiciary. Like this, be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen. Maybe in 4, 5, or 6, or 7, and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure. We did on it, and we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious, and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place. Sir, we will do it. We will make sure that our people are very safe, the public are safe, They can go to the market, they can walk in the street safely. There is no harm.
Is there any requirement for additional force to maintain
No,
law and
right
order?
now we are examining, but as I said to you, we will not sleep. We will make sure that the law is in order. It is very clear. As I said to you, we will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again reoccur. One, we have already instructed all the district administration, because see, in fact, we do have also this deputy commissioner who's looking in the respective district, and we have already instructed to all the concerned, be it the offices, be it the district administration, to make sure that though the law of the state should be implemented in totality. For example, like the labor law. The labor law was there where each and every migrant laborers coming from outside the state, bringing in by our own people, be it by the contractors, be it by the landlords, or be it by anybody, or be it by the department. So they need to strictly follow the law. And the law is what? Very simple. They can apply online, they will get the labor license, and once they get that papers, means they can work freely here in the state of Bengal. So I would request all the concerned stakeholders to make sure that the paperwork has to be in order before you bringing in the laborers from outside the state.